Hi, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Grandy, and today we're going to talk about making two-dimensional shapes from other two-dimensional shapes. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to look at a shape like this triangle, and we're going to put other triangles inside of the triangle, and we're going to see how many will fit. So let's take a look. The first thing we're going to do is I want to trace the big triangle. Okay, now we're going to see how many triangles we can make out of the big triangle. So let's take a look here. Here's one. Here's two. Here's three. And here's four. We can make 4 triangles out of one big triangle. Let's write the number 4. Now let's see how many squares we can make out of one rectangle. See how many squares we could make out of one rectangle. Let's take a look. I think we can make 1, 2 squares out of one rectangle. Let's write the number 2. How many squares can we make out of the big square? Let me show you guys a trick. Whenever you have a big square, if you draw a line this way and you draw a line this way, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 perfect squares. So this big square holds 4 little squares. Now, this shape at the bottom, it kind of looks like a fish, right? So we're going to try to make triangles and squares out of this one. Let's see what we can do. Let's think for a second. Well, I see that there's 1, 2 sides here. So if I put a line here, now I have a triangle. There's already a triangle here. It looks like I can do the same thing here that I did there. So what do I have? Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3 triangles. Let's write the number 3. And let's see how many squares I have. I have 1 square. So from this shape, I used 3 triangles and 1 square. Let's try another triangle over here for number 6, okay? If I draw a triangle here, how many triangles do I have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 triangles. Let's write the number 4. Excellent job. In today's lesson, we learned how to make two-dimensional shapes from other two-dimensional shapes. I'll see you soon.